Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Lakeland, Florida. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a facilities for disabled guests. Located 5 minutes from Joker Marchant Stadium and 10 minutes from the Polk Museum of Art, this pet-friendly motel features an outdoor pool, laundry facilities and Wi-Fi internet. The rooms at Motel 6-Lakeland, Florida offer cable TV and a work desk. Local calls are free. This Lakeland, Florida Motel 6 provides a 24-hour front desk. Lakeland Civic Center is 10 minutes from Motel 6-Lakeland, Florida. Tampa International Airport is 45 minutes west of the motel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.